Hi guys, these are the 4 ingredients needed to make yam paste. First, we have peanut oil, onion, yam, and sugar. I will teach you step by step on how to make delicious yam paste. Please follow me throughout. When the wok is heated up, add in the peanut oil into the wok. Okay. Add in the onion. Fry the onion. Fry the onion until you can smell this fragrance, and also the onion has changed color. It's okay if the onion is a bit brown because you are not using the onion at all. You're just using the oil. The yam for about 25 minutes until it's soft. Put the steamed yam into the food processor so that the food processor will blend the yam into a smoothie. Next, put the steamed yam into the food processor. Hi guys, the next step is to put the smashed yam together with the onion oil and also add in the sugar. Mix them all together. Switch on the fire. Mix it while the wok is getting hotter. Mix it together. As you fry, you can smell the fragrance of the onion oil. Keep stirring to ensure that the sugar, the onion oil and the yam is mixed together well. You wouldn't want to have a yam paste, some portion is sweet, some portion is not sweet. Keep stirring and frying until you can see it can flip on one side. this is almost done. Okay, see, it can flip. Okay, off the fire. Let it cool down.